This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad at home for weight loss. First, choose fruits wisely. Focus on options like berries, melon, and citrus, which are naturally lower in calories and rich in fiber. These choices help you feel full longer. A good mix of colors ensures you get a broad spectrum of vitamins and antioxidants, supporting your overall health goals. Next, proper preparation is key. Wash all your chosen fruits thoroughly to remove any residues. Then, carefully cut them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures an even distribution of flavors. Gently combine all the prepared fruits in a large bowl, ready for the next step. Now, let's talk about dressing. For weight loss, keep it light and natural. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice brightens flavors without adding extra calories. Avoid sugary syrups or heavy cream-based options entirely. For an extra touch, a small sprinkle of cinnamon can enhance sweetness and provide a pleasant aroma, making your salad even more enjoyable. Finally, portion control is crucial for weight loss. Aim for a serving size of about 1 cup. Enjoy your delicious, healthy fruit salad as a refreshing snack or a light meal. It's a fantastic way to satisfy sweet cravings guilt-free. Remember to store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator to maintain freshness for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.